So, do you guys know why the channel's called ACPNZ? What does the letters actually stand for?
I mean, I just figured it's always because you have about 10 of these in front of you there, Louis.
Not gonna lie,
Yeah, you're not wrong.
you came up with it, so I've just been rolling with it. Like, I'm just here to drive cars, have a good time, break shit, fix shit, and give Louis shit for having cars that never work. So,
Thanks.
I'm just here to be driving at the back of the pack with my slow stock cars, but
trying to keep up, eh? So
Trying to avoid a camera, eh?
yeah,
you're right.
I mean,
So if you don't see him, he's actually the one that's filming it. So the footage is
I'll be
crap.
behind there.
Blame it on him. ACPNZ is essentially alcoholics with a car problem. We always sit here, drink and piss, and talk about our car problems. So hopefully...
And yet, with all that free time, we never actually work on our cars.
cool.
I know, right? What are you trying to say? So hopefully in the future, we will actually show you our car problems. And maybe you can learn a thing or two about fixing cars, driving them. Very important in New Zealand because, God, some of the driving we see around here.
Realistically, you're not going to learn much about fixing them. You're going to learn a lot about how to swear. You're going to learn a lot about how to hurt yourself while trying to fix your car and then getting someone else to come and help you do it, especially when it's my videos. You might learn a little bit about driving. You'll definitely learn a lot about falling off the track and breaking your car when you said you're not going to send it at the track, but that's another day's conversation.
You don't want to help Tim out with fixing his car though, because it's at really awkward times on like a Saturday afternoon when you have a party to go to, and Tim's like, "I need my power plant frame fixed right now," and you go, "Dude, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I've just recovered from the hangover from the day before." No, it's not going to happen.
But that's okay. Louis can't talk because he's too busy going to strip clubs, falling off the stage, breaking his foot, and then being like, "I can't work on my car for the next 3 months because my foot's broken."
But
So,
hey,
There's no comeback.
that's a valid excuse for not having built 1 out of 5 GTOs in the past 5 years. Come on, it's fair enough.
1 out of 6, remember? He's already scrapped one.
Yeah, made a lot of money off of that. It's paying for the other one,
The other one's still not finished, Louis,
but it's paying for it.
but it's not finished.
It's not started.
Okay. It's not started either. And hopefully we'll show you a lot, the beginning of it. GTO King was actually keen to do a cameo appearance sometime during the rebuild. The rebuild's a very slow process, so we're not going to post videos very regularly about that, but we will post videos about it.
I too have friends in the car world that may make cameo appearances, but I'm not going to name drop them because I'm not a cunt.
Please follow us. And hey, we need some sponsors too. Audio, pretty crappy. No microphone. Yeah. Please help. Oh, dear. It's fucking difficult to edit. That last 2 hours are like several days of the footage there.